You know this person whom I am meeting, he's one of my... Let's just pretend that's me, even though I'm not that white. At like 3 and 4 o'clock every night. I'm a very simple girl with big dreams. Every single day and new... I am struggling, guys. I know it's not a good way to start a video, but it's just life, you know, it happens sometimes. But anyways, hello. Hi guys, what's up? Hope you're doing good. By the intro of the video, you already know how am I feeling. But we got this, guys, we got this. And it is the month of February, so you guys let me know in the comment section what are your plans with your girlfriend or boyfriend, or if you don't have one, I feel you, I'm with you. Anyways guys, I have so much stuff to update you guys about, so let's just rewind a bit to the Christmas morning. Hello guys, I just ended the previous vlog and I started the vlog right now, right here. Okay, this is where I thought that I would be uploading vlogs every single day, and it was like a new year, new me thing where I was going to consistently vlog, and it's already February and I haven't even uploaded a single vlog. As you guys saw in the last vlog that I woke up, I literally woke up like an hour ago, and mom dad kept like 2-3 gifts right here. I am super excited to open that. There are like cute tiny little things inside. Please ignore my face. I haven't showered, I haven't washed my face either, so ignore the dark circles as well. I have been sleeping at like 3 and 4 o'clock every night, so my sleep schedule has been like this. With that note, let me just see what all is here. Oh my god, like seriously guys, this is dream. Literally behaving like a freaking 4-year-old. But forget about this Adidas, I am in love with all of this. Obviously I need to show you guys what is inside. This is like a cute jacket. It's gonna be like, the jacket is literally 3-4x the amount, but I'm still in love with all of this. And this is going to be my dream journal for 2024, and let's just pretend that's me, even though I'm not that white, but still let's pretend. Okay, and like always I'm running late, but this is my outfit. I think you have seen this outfit already, but I'm wearing this shoes for the first time. Also, my mom dad will be joining me in the evening. Back to the present tense guys. Now it was time for the New Year's night, which I obviously celebrated with my mom dad because I literally have no friends. But yeah, me and my mom dad, we decided to keep it low-key and went to this fancy dinner place, and this is how it went. I'm just obsessed with the way this outfit looks, and especially my heels. We just realized that the time in which we have booked for the dinner, there will be like a huge fountain show going on. I'm not really sure exactly if that will happen or not, but you guys will get to know about it. Okay, so hey guys, voiceover Arya is back. I know I make a lot of jokes about not having friends. A lot of you guys do relate to it, but trust me, there's always a time for things. No matter it's a relationship, no matter it's a friendship, or whatever you want in life, there's always a time and it will be yours. You just need to believe in it. And even after believing it for all these years and you still don't have it, just remember it's not the right time. Guys, we are here at the hotel. It's basically in Oberoi. I'll show you the whole hotel. It's really beautiful. This is where we entered, and that's mom. By the way, that's her outfit. Look at that, she looks so good. And that's basically the entrance. Ikte basit. That's my dad. Hello.
Hi.
We have a special menu as well for like the New Year's and Christmas. So we do have... I got my cold coffee. This is the focaccia bread. Also, we got our pasta right here, which is in truffle, parmesan. We have also ordered much more stuff. That's the fountain show right there. This is the sushi, the pasta, and the pizza right here. And also look at that. Okay, I'm showing you guys that again, but look at the fire. Look at that. Wow.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something, yeah.
Guys, we are done with our dinner. It's almost like 9:30, 9:40. You enjoyed? Yes, Dad also enjoyed.
Awesome.
Today we are going out with my mom and one of my friend and her mom. So it's going to be like a whole girls day out thing. It's her outfit. She looks so good, like so stunning. That is my outfit. If you guys remember from where this t-shirt is, I mean not shirt, top is from, comment down below if you can, you know, guess ki where is this top. The plan is that we are going out for the movies. So me and her, like my friend, is going to watch like an English movie, and my mom and her mom is going to watch like Marathi movie, which is from like I don't know, Nana Patekar movie or something. Yeah. And we are going to watch anyone but you. Yeah, I forgot about the name. But okay, we just dropped off my mom and her mom, and they are inside the mall right now watching their movie. Their movie was like at 10:30, and our movie is like at 11:30. So we need to go to Washi. We dropped them at Siva. Anyway, guys, that's her outfit. Yeah. She's a doctor, so that's why she's like dressed all nice, because she don't want her patients to see like in a sexy outfit, or else they would like get tempted whenever they come. We are here at the mall. We are here at Inox Washi, and the reason why we selected this specific mall and the movie tickets, because we wanted our mom's tickets and our ticket to like align the timing. So like by the time we are done, they are also done, so we can go and pick them up. It's like a whole story. I hope you guys get it. Right now I'm just like sitting here with her bag because she forgot her specs in the car. So yeah, this is her bag. Should I do like a what's in my bag, or will it be like an invasion of privacy? I can do what's in my bag. Yeah. Okay, that's my purse. I mean, I should call it a purse or bag. I don't know. I'm very bad at this. I usually don't carry bags because my mom does it for me. I just keep my phone and stuff in my pocket. But yeah, this is my bag. This is from Baggett. And then I have my wallet inside it, which I got on my birthday. And then I have this water. What else do we have? We have 10 rupees. Super random. And then we have my compact. And then my second phone, which says who cares. There's nothing, literally. I have no money. I mean, I have money inside this. Let's see how much money I have. Imagine like a bug coming out of this, because there's literally no money. I have a 5 rupees note. Wait, yeah, look at that. Wow. That was one of the most boring what's in my bag video. I'm really sorry, but that's how I am. I'm a very simple girl with big dreams. But yeah, I think she's here. Yeah, she needs to check again, or just in case. त्यांनी तुला का चेक केलं माहितीये परत?
काय?
त्यांनी तुला का परत चेक केलं?
मी काहीतरी आणलं असेल pocket
नाही,
मध्ये.
तू बॉम्ब आहेस ना.
हॅलो. कसा होता? म्हणजे तुला सांगू खूप छान.
We are here for lunch. काही बोलायचंय तुला?
I'm so excited.
Yeah, we are excited. Now we are here at the mall and we all are like shopping. I'm literally sitting down right now because I'm like so tired, even though it's like just 5 o'clock and I'm still done for the day. Hello uncle. But yeah, I mean, they all are shopping. So once we are done with our shopping, we'll head out. I don't know where we are going, but I'll let you guys know. Guys, they are giving us a taste test. आता switch करा, आधी switch करा, मग सांगा which one is better. Intense movement. कुठलं better आहे? Yeah, my mom liked the sea salt one, and her mom liked the vanilla.
No, they both like the same one.
No, I like this
अच्छा.
one. No, जे
मी बोलली ना आंटीला
अरे
माझ्या
हा,
आवडेल.
this is the vanilla. I'm like so tired. We already dropped off my mom and even her mom, and then we were just vibing in the car with like blasting music on. But dude, our playlist is like so same, all the singers same. I might drop my Spotify link maybe in the comment section so that you guys can also vibe with us. I'm not really sure. Maybe, okay? Because I need to sort out my whole Spotify list until I give you guys, because it needs to be aesthetic, right? But it's not aesthetic right now. But yeah, horrible ankle, I know, because it's the lighting. It looks so bad sometimes when the lighting is bad. But yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog right here. Like, share, subscribe, comment. See you guys in the next vlog. Love you. Bye. Like, you're literally in my nose right now, guys. Love you. Bye.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.